Hello there, we're going to talk about the focus assembly for optics tool. This is the most basic principle for focus structure. This is our substrate. This is the focus lens. And we provide a beam through the lens to the substrate, and the reflection beam back, and this is the close point. This is our focus point for major. And we have to make focus point at this point to do the measuring. So every time the subject moves into the optics tool, the beam source use the beam through the lens to the subject and the reflect beam back, and use the beam detector sensor here to detect if the focus point is too low. The beam detect sensor will get communication with the focus control unit, focus control PCB, and the PCB will tell the lens drive motor, and the lens drive motor rotate to let the lens up or down. The lens will up or down until make the beam cross line to reach to the focus point. Then make the focus function completely. This is the basic principle for the focus. So we have the if the lens has the polluted, get dirty, or the lens have something wrong with it, maybe the crank or lens fail, lens issue make the focus fail, or the up down movement fail, the lens drive motor structure fail, will cause focus fail. And the beam detector sensor is have something wrong with it. It will also make the focus fail. Finally, the focus control PCB board fail. This board fail also can cause the focus fail too. This is the focus align condition. This is our subject, and this is lens. This is our beam detect sensor. lens at this position, well, the cross line focus point here, not reach to our point, our sensor point. We are going to make the lens a little bit higher position to do the test. And the focus function during this period, the lens move to higher, and the sensor detect the image focus point is too high. It will make the lens drive motor rotate. Next, to let the lens down a little bit. Finally, the lens position at the right correct focus point. The sensor will sense the focus point. Okay, then stop the lens at this position and make the focus movement completely. Then you can execute the next step to measure the substrate. Okay, let's all see you next time.